आप चाहती हैं कि मैं अपनी जिंदगी में किसी को ले आऊं, राइट?
हाँ।
आइडिया, मैं कल ही जाके एक कुत्ता ले आता हूँ।
तुम क्या सिर में चढ़ के नाच रही हो? हर बात में टांग अड़ाना जरूरी है? बात बात तो मेरी दादी माँ बन जाती हो।
प्रगति, मैं चाहता हूँ कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, कितनी भी कठिन से कठिन परिस्थितियां हो, किसी भी मोड़ पर हम खड़े हों जिंदगी के, चाहे तुम किसी भी हालात से गुजर रही हो, कभी डाइटिंग मत करना।
क्या?
हाँ।
Hello everyone. Welcome to another live session of Actor Prepares. Hello Khyati. Hello Sneha. Hello Gruha. Hello everyone. Hello Avantika. Hi Pearl, honey. Okay, this looks like a fan club of our today's guest. Hello Anurag. I really want to thank you all for joining in tonight. Hello Lalit. Hello Manini. You know what? Instead of saying just hello to each other, you all please tell me, where are you all from? Which part of the world are you guys tuning in from? I really want to know it. Also, if few of you are our Actor Prepares alumni, do mention your batch number. I'm sure you all remember your batch number. Do mention your batch number. Let's see. Where is the guest? Wait for it, guys. Pune, Rishabh Sarvate, talking to us from Pune, watching us from Pune. Monica Verma from Bangalore. Vishwam Patel from Ahmedabad. Pearly Lover, I'm Arabic and I live in London. Awesome. West Bengal. Bangalore, Mumbai. I'm a student at AP. Awesome. What's your batch number? Again, do mention your batch numbers, guys. I'm also an Actor Prepares alumnus, batch number 89. Can Kolkata, Mumbai now. Awesome. Andhra Pradesh. I'm from Iran. We have people from all over the world today. Awesome. You know what? I have to thank you all for tuning in every live session. Some of you have been so consistent and have been joining us every Saturday. Thank you so much for doing that. Also, few of you have been suggesting us that please get this guest on Actor Prepares live session. You have been requesting, you've been suggesting, we've been trying to get them. Above that, all the guests that we get, y'all have been showing a lot of love for them. Thank you so much for that. We read all your comments, we read all your DMs. Thank you so much for all the support and love. You know, this is why we do these live sessions. Okay, let me first tell you, welcome you all to Actor Prepare's ongoing live series called In Conversation With. The whole point of doing these live series is that we can be the bridge between you aspiring actors or viewers or students from AP, that, you know, fill the gap between you people and the guest who has made a mark for himself or herself. This is the whole point of the live series. And I hope you enjoy today's live session. I am Pranali Mistry, your host for the June of month, model, actor and an Actor Prepares alumnus. Thank you so much for tuning in with us today. We are going to get live today somebody who doesn't need any introduction, who is a heartthrob for many girls and guys too. He has a huge fan following. He's come from a small city to Mumbai. He has had dreams and he has achieved it. You guys are right, I'm talking about somebody who started his journey from 2013, made it till 2020, from Dil Ki Nazar Se Khoobsurat till Bepana Pyar. Yes, I'm talking about Pearl Puri. So without any further ado, let's just call him. We have a lot of his fans here waiting for him to come live. I'm just gonna quickly call him in. Till then, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
How are
Pranali.
you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Super.
Good, good. I'm good too. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, it's pleasure completely.
So, how are you keeping up with the lockdown situation?
Initially, it was really difficult, but then I realized that it is safer, and simultaneously, it is very important to be safe and alive. People are dying
True.
outside, so it's very important for us to be home, be safe, and we have to be happy, and we have to inspire people. We have to maybe tell everybody that people are not understanding the kind of situation we have right now in India. We are we have topped the charts from
Yeah, I know, I know.
43rd. We are at number fourth right now in the world,
Yes.
and this is really bad. So we all should
Actually, I
stay
think
home.
the everything that we're listening to right now only says that it's better if you just be alive in 2020. That's more than enough.
Yeah.
True, true. So you are a person who's very much into music, and you have your own song called Peer Meri, right?
Yes. Yes.
So your
Yeah.
fans
I
are
have
going
released.
crazy about it. I have to ask you this: have you written one or two lines in this lockdown period, and you'd like to share it with us?
I have written a lot of songs in this quarantine.
Can
I
you
kind
just
of enjoy
share one or
writing
two
songs.
lines?
That will be a leak if I tell you.
Okay, you're right.
I
Okay,
will
how about you
definitely.
just sing
Yeah.
one or two lines from your song for all your fans?
That I can do for sure. Which
Thank you.
one? You tell me. Which one do you want me to sing?
Peer Meri from Peer Meri.
Peer Meri. All right.
Yeah.
Hmm, दिल दिया गल्ला सब तू जाने फिर क्यों ना जाने पीड़ मेरी हासे तेरे सोनिए कन्ना विच वजदे ने ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਦੀਦ ਦੀ ਹੁਣ ਆ ਜਾਣਾ ਜਿੰਦ ਵੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੂੰ ਜਾਣੇ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਣੇ ਪੀੜ ਮੇਰੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
Thank you. Thank you so much. Your fans are shouting love right now.
that's so
You can
sweet, yeah,
just
they're my
mention
lifetime.
few.
Yeah, I can. uh Kiran Lencho, Pariniti.
Anjali says,
Hi,
please say
hi
my
guys.
name.
Hi Anjali. राहुल नाम तो सुना होगा, नहीं?
See, this is the best part of getting an actor live.
Uh, I love it, yeah. I so miss Actor Prepares and I so miss the time I was there. I still have the cup, वो Actor Prepares का cup जिस पे लिखा हुआ था acting cannot be taught, it can only be learned.
Oh, wow. So, do you have
I
such
remember.
memories? Any more memories like this? Funny or
Yeah.
something?
A lot of memories from Actor Prepares, yeah. It was very initial phase where I had this long hair
Wow.
and I used to wear a pony behind. And I think we had 20 students in our batch, and there were two batches, A and B. So I don't remember all of them, but I remember few, and I am apparently, I don't know why we are not in touch. But now,
Oh,
as we are connected, I think I'll try and get in touch with few of them.
right. Actually, I was going to ask you that next. Like, are you in touch with any of them? Even one or two?
Not really.
Not
I
really.
I was in touch with few of them. There was a girl, Aurelia. I was in touch with her,
Right.
and there was Anvita. I was in touch with initially, but I don't
Okay.
know. Since past 4 or 5 years, I'm not in touch with anybody.
Right, right. So, what was the subject that you were struggling with in Actor Prepares initially? Like,
Initially, I was a very shy kind of a guy. I used to find this very difficult to open up, and I actually was, because this is one of the reasons I'm not connected with anybody, because that time I was actually very shy. I never used to talk to anybody. I used to sit in one
right,
corner and try not to speak. And I was very new
right.
to Mumbai also.
So do you remember any of your lines from the monologues that you might have done, or some exercises that you might have done in the sessions?
Yeah, I did a play with Suraj sir,
Oh,
Iqbal Singh. The name of the play
right.
was Iqbal Singh, and in the play, my name was Iqbal Singh.
Okay. So
So
you were
there
the
was a friend
lead
of
even
mine who was
then?
playing my father. Yeah,
Always been the best kid, huh?
not really. I was always very keen to, try something new because acting was something even didn't know what audition is, कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, how people get into it. I was
Right.
just here, and the reason of me being here was my ex-girlfriend. I used to date somebody when I was in 10th grade. She wanted me to become an actor because she used to love Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
So that is what connected, and she was only the one who, that time. I don't know. Right now we have that or no. There was online application
Okay.
of actor prepares. Whosoever want
Right.
to join or something, there's a online form. So she filled that form for me,
Oh,
and
wow.
I was, yeah,
So
I
did
was
you have that
extremely.
moment that, okay, I want to do acting? Or was it just because she pushed you and, you went for it?
She and
Or
my
was
mother.
there a moment that you decided that, yes, now I'll pursue acting?
After a long time, I decided myself. Before that, they
After
were
all
only
you
the
were
ones.
on the way?
Uh, yeah. See, I did my 3 months course, that full-time course from actor prepares. Then I went
Right.
back for 1.5 years. Then I came back for 3, 4 months. Then again went back, and there was actually, it was very fluctuating where I was not sure that I'm going to be here or no because my
Right.
father was not supporting me at that point of time, and
Okay.
मैं भाग के आ गया था बाद में.
Tell us
So
more about this. I'm sure you will be
yeah,
motivating so many, inspiring so many with
नहीं
this,
नहीं
like
ये बिल्कुल भी
parents not
motivating
being
नहीं है.
supportive. No,
It's
see,
very
I
difficult
think
and
a
it is not good
parent's
also
right,
because I
but
don't
a
want
parent's
anybody
support
to
is
run.
everything that keeps you going, right? But
Yeah,
you're saying
correct.
that you didn't have it, but you've made it big for yourself. So I'm sure it's inspiring for a lot of us.
Yeah, if you see, I don't think I deserve something like that, but if something of mine or maybe my whatever I'm saying inspires somebody, that would be a boon. Like initially, what happened was because of I told you because of my girlfriend, I was trying to get into this industry,
Yeah.
and my mom. So
Okay.
my dad was never supporting me. So I went back, and then I fought, and there was a whole lot of real estate in between, and then
Yeah.
I came here.
But how
So
is
that
your
was the
relation
thing.
with your father now? Isn't he proud of you
It's
now?
good now. I don't know. Actually, I have to ask him. But
I think few things are better unsaid. And I'm sure
possibly,
he's
yeah.
very, very, very proud of you. Look at the fans shouting love. I see all your fan pages.
Uh, it's so sweet. Yeah, they're my lifeline. And seriously, they love me unconditionally. Because what we actors do, we get paid for what we are doing. What is this love for them? If we are not getting paid, then I understand. See, we are giving them entertainment and we are not taking any money. We are getting money, we are doing a job, and they're loving us. So it's their good. It's not something which I feel we have achieved something. They have made us big. So it's all
True.
about them.
That's really sweet of you. But I have to ask you this: what has been the biggest struggle for you in your journey?
See, struggle. Life itself is a struggle. Every day when you wake up till the time you sleep, it's a struggle. In any business, if for that matter, if you try to open up a D-Mart also, you need to struggle a lot because there are a lot of D-Marts everywhere. So
True.
acting is something which, generally I say this to a lot of people. If I want to become an IAS, supposed to be, I'll read, I'll learn, I'll, dig myself into the books, and one day finally I can be. But here in acting, there's no book to it. You can't just read, you can't just do something which makes you an actor. You have to, firstly, initially, I'll tell you something I remember.
Yeah.
Uh, Anupam sir, Kher sir, oh, Siri bola. Okay.
Oh,
At times Siri connects, I don't know how.
it's okay.
Yeah. One second. Yeah. So, in our first session with Kher sir, he generally वो एक डायरी नहीं मिलता होता, आज भी पता
Yeah,
नहीं
yeah, yeah.
मिलता होता कि नहीं होता. This is a book.
No, every batch
वो
has it.
active
Yeah.
pairs लिखा होता है, has it, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So in that diary we have to write whatever, like, you know, write 10 qualities. If you want to be an actor, you should have these qualities. Then you're, you know, in a way qualified, and you should, you know, you should have these.
Okay.
So वो 10 qualities सारे बच्चे लिख रहे थे, and मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. वैसे ही मैं बड़ा शर्माता ज़्यादा था. So what I wrote was, you should be a good human being if you want to be an actor. So he also praised me. He was like,
So
he's
that's
right.
the only one
You have
thing
to
you
be
wrote
a-
out of all the 10.
Yeah, because I feel that's the only thing required. If you're a good human being, you can understand emotions well. If you can understand emotions well, you can convey them, and you can convince whosoever is watching you that, you know, what you want to tell them. It's all about expressing yourself. So the better you express yourself, the better actor you are.
Right.
So you have to be
So
a good
talking
human being.
about, sorry?
Yeah, so you have to be a good human being if you want to become an actor.
True,
Nothing
true.
else is required. No looks required. Body, shakal, कुछ किसी काम का नहीं.
Paul, I'm so
Can you hear me?
sorry. I think your internet has some issue.
Huh? One second, I'll just check.
Yeah, we're facing some issue with your internet.
It's better now?
Yeah, I think it's better now.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so I totally agree with your point. You have to be a good human being. You have to feel things in order
Yeah.
to convey as an actor. But in this journey of becoming an actor, you had to come from a small town to the city of dreams, Mumbai.
Yeah.
How was it initially for you? How did you cope up with things? Because it's a big change, you know.
100%. It is a big
So how
change.
did you deal with things mentally and yeah.
I tried to learn from everybody. Yeah. There were a lot of people in our batch. I used to observe a lot. I still observe people a lot. So observation is one of the major things you need to do, because if you want to convey something, you should know. Supposed to be, अगर मैं आपको एक, या जिसको भी एक्टर को, किसी को अगर हम एक कैरेक्टर देते हैं कि you know you have to play somebody who's mentally ill. So आप अगर किसी को देख चुके हो जो already mentally ill है, so you can convey it well. You can put in your efforts also, and you can, you know, mold it in a way where you know how it is, and you can, you know, convey the proper whatsoever.
Right.
And my journey, what the question was, initially it was extremely difficult. Initially it was like I told you, I was extremely shy. So
Right.
I didn't know that I'm gonna be here
What
for
were
a
you
long
feeling
time.
inside? Like, it must have been a big change for you, like physically, mentally, you know. So how are you keeping up with the things? How was the process of actually accepting the city that would give you what you want, what you're here to achieve for? You know?
I felt it is not the first time I'm here. By the way, it was the first time. But
Right.
Mumbai कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगा that I have come here for the first time and I have to cope up with the city. The city was so friendly and everybody was so nice. Automatically, the first time I was here, I was like, नहीं यार, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत बार आ चुका हूँ यहाँ पे. Everything is so good.
Great, great. People are actually accepting in Mumbai. I agree.
Yeah. Automatically,
So,
you don't
you did
feel
your debut
that,
in
you know, you're coming to a different
2013.
place. हाँ जी.
True, true. So you did your debut in 2013 with Dil Ki Nazar Se Khoobsurat. So how did you get the role? What was the process like? How did you get the role?
Initially, I was in a notion that, you know, my motive was only to do films. So for a longest time, I was just waiting for something to happen. Then I signed one. It never released.
Right.
I
Oh.
signed another one, and वो कुछ हो गया. There were certain issues, तो वो पूरा ही नहीं हो पाया शूट आज तक. And I was thinking that this is really, at times you feel depressed, at times you
Yeah,
feel
you
like,
get
nothing's
demotivated
happening, you
after
should go
such
back.
experiences. Yeah.
Yeah. So I started with this show, and I was not really happy. I never did Dil Ki Nazar Se Khoobsurat for a long time. It was just for a phase for
Okay.
not more than 10 days, I imagine. I don't remember, but hardly 10 days किया होगा. Then I left due to certain reasons. And because like I
Right.
told you, मेरे को सीरियल्स नहीं करने थे इनिशियली, तो वो एक माइंड ब्लॉक था कि जो लोग सीरियल्स करते हैं वो लोग फिल्म्स नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो मुझे सीरियल्स नहीं करने हैं. ऐसा बहुत सारे बच्चे
Yeah,
मुझे लगता
we
है
have
सोचते
to
होंगे.
talk about this. Right,
या
right. We have to talk about this. Like initially, everybody who comes to Mumbai to be an actor has a dream of
या
being in the films, but
या
they don't realize that television is such an amazing place to work in, right? Even to begin
या
with, or to just establish your career in. So, would you talk a
या
little on this, like your career in television,
या आई
how
वुड
you
लव
wanted to
टू.
do films, but television is also a
आई
fantastic place to work in.
या Initially, what I was thinking is I had to do because my girlfriend wanted me to do films, my mom wanted me to do films. That I myself wanted to do films, and I was waiting for it. But then I realized that acting is something which you can portray any whatever character you are portraying, whatsoever show you are doing doesn't matter, whatsoever film you are doing doesn't matter. If you're good, people will pick you up.
Right.
There's nothing like one who's doing a TV show can't do a film. वो बात बहुत बाद में रियलाइज हुई, बहुत बाद में समझ में आया. सो बाय दैट
True.
टाइम मैं बहुत सारा वक्त वेस्ट कर चुका था. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि आप लोग प्लीज ये ना सोचें. और काम काम होता है, काम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, काम करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर किसी को पता नहीं कि आप कैसे एक्टिंग करते हो,
Absolutely.
किसी को पता नहीं आप कैसे दिखते हो ऑन स्क्रीन, तो कोई आपको कैसे पिकअप करेगा. सो प्लेटफॉर्म व्हाटसोएवर इट इज, एनी प्लेटफॉर्म इज इक्वली गुड. अगर आप सड़क पे खड़े होकर भी बहुत
Right.
अच्छा
It's
परफॉर्म कर
it's
रहे
not
होगे और
about
चार लोग
where
आपको
you work,
देखेंगे तो
it's
दे
about
पिक यू
how
अप.
good you work.
या
Definitely.
एब्सोल्युटली,
It's about work pulls
एब्सोल्युटली,
work, right?
100%. So you
So
have to
with
be a
work
good
pulling
performer. You
work,
should.
you
Yeah.
right. Right. So with work pulling work, talking about it, you started getting work from Dil Ki Nazar Se Khoobsurat to Fir
Hmm.
Bhi Na Mane Badtameez Dil to Nagin to Bepana Pyar. You've done a lot of great work. But when was that moment that you realized that, okay, now I'm being recognized by people, okay, I have fans, or yes, I have touched hearts. When was that moment?
Exactly. I don't remember, but still I feel I've done nothing, and still I feel they give me a lot more than I deserve.
I mean,
And
come on, you have like 1 million followers on Instagram.
I don't
And
know.
look at people showering us love here. Oh my god.
I
The
love
hearts
them
are
more.
not stopping.
They're too nice, and at times that's what I was telling you, that at times I don't realize why they love me so much. I'm just a normal another guy who's trying to become something and try to entertain them. See what I can do for them, I don't know, but I try to give them as much as possible
Right.
via TV shows or via whatever I'm doing. So that I feel is a responsibility, and
Talking
I
about
don't
giving,
know.
you can actually give them something right now, and that is answers. We have received a lot
Yeah,
of questions so
please, please.
from your fans. So I'm just gonna ask you a few quickly.
Yeah, yeah, please.
A fan page, Pearlian, is
Hmm.
asking, please ask Pearl sir about his daily routine and why is he offline
Maybe.
during these days?
Yeah, I was offline during these days because my routine was completely haywire. I used to sleep at around 10 in the morning, wake up at around 7ish in the evening, and
Oh my god.
it was completely opposite.
Yeah.
But now I have learned that I should not be doing this because a lot of people follow me, and I want them to do good. So it's my responsibility to follow a proper schedule so that they should not get a bad image, and they should be, because see, the eating in the daytime is very important. Eating in the night is wrong.
Right.
So now my schedule is fine. And Polians, I've changed my schedule.
Great.
Now
So
I
you're
wake
gonna
up
be
at
back
around
online
6:30 in the
soon.
morning. Yeah. I
Great.
wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. I sleep at around 12 in the night. And I work out twice. I've actually started doing something new. I see a lot of people must be facing this problem of not be able to go to the gym.
Yeah. The
I am
fitness
also
side. Yeah.
a workout. Yeah, I am into workouts and I am into fitness. So it's very
Right.
difficult these days to work out because you don't know what to do. There's no change. There's no environment and everything. So what you
True.
can do is what I am doing is I am using my building stairs to do the cardio,
Wow.
and yeah, so
Also,
it's
we saw you
very
doing push-ups with your headstand. Headstand,
yeah,
handstand. Sorry.
yeah. I was into gymnastics before, so I love
Oh,
doing these
great.
crazy stuff.
Wow.
So I
So how
try,
many years
but
have you
you should,
learned gymnastics?
yeah, but people should not try this because this is extremely difficult
Like a
and
pro
dangerous.
level of fitness.
Yeah, so please try मत करना गिर विर जाओगे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी.
Great. We're just gonna
So
take
yeah.
one more question.
हाँ जी please.
Asmi Jain is asking, what was your first fan moment?
First fan moment.
Yeah.
First fan moment. What I remember was when I was doing my first show, Badtameez Dil, and in Badtameez Dil, we were shooting somewhere. I don't remember. Maybe I think there's a building called Raheja near Film City only.
Okay.
There we were shooting outdoor, and वहाँ पे there was this lady who came to me and she was like, कि, I have named my son Pearl because I love you so much and this and that. So I
Wow.
was
That's
I was
big.
so happy. This is a responsibility, man. You have to be
True. Very true.
something, you have to be different from the others and you have to follow
Yeah.
the right path
You're
to
right.
inspire people. It's very important because you're a public figure. You can't just be a normal guy and do whatever you want to do.
Yeah. With a
So
lot
it
of
comes with
fame
a
comes a lot of responsibility.
responsibility.
True, true. So, working in televisions can be monotonous. It might be getting monotonous doing one thing for a
Yeah.
lot of episodes for a lot longer. What is the prep before getting into a character? Every day, the same character, but you
Yeah.
must be having a prep for that.
Not really. But see, if you think a lot about what you want to do, then it becomes extremely mechanical. The
True.
way I perform, it's see, when you want to perform somebody, supposed to be the first character I played was Abir.
Right.
I'll characterize it properly just for once. I'll make the body language. I'll make a character sketch in what kind of a situation, how will he react, how will he, scream, or he's a serious kind of a guy who won't scream or something. So I'll do the characterization myself. I'll get something from the creatives as well.
Right.
And then once I decide, after that, I don't do a lot of preparation. I
Okay.
just get
So
into
it's
the
more
character and
like
start doing it.
preparing. The prep is for before signing or like
Yeah,
the one time that you make it for the character, right? Otherwise,
yeah.
it's the same every day, right?
Yeah. It's no rocket science. It's very simple. See, acting anybody can do. मॉम डैड से सब लोग झूठ बोलते हैं ना. जिसने मॉम डैड से झूठ बोल के उनको कन्विंस कर लिया कि वो सही बोल रहा है, वो बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, क्योंकि वो हमको सबसे अच्छी तरह
Right.
जानते हैं.
So
तो
this is
ये
the
इतना सारे
ultimate
बच्चे कर सकते हैं.
test.
या दिस द
That's
अल्टीमेट टेस्ट.
yeah.
अगर आप अपने पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस कर सकते हैं झूठ पे, तो आप पूरी दुनिया को कन्विंस कर सकते हैं झूठ पे. एंड एक्टिंग इज समथिंग लाइक दैट ओनली. यू हैव टू lie,
It's
and in a
about
way where
convincing. Yeah.
convincing. It's not difficult. I'll realize later on. But yeah, there are certain characters where, like in my uh, last show, Bepana Pyar, I was playing a character who's too much into drugs, alcohol. You have seen Kabir Singh, Arjun Reddy.
Yes.
Yeah, so that kind of a character I was playing. So it was intense. So when you're playing very intense character, you have to observe people like that. So
Right.
generally, it's not important. See, like I have never tasted alcohol in my life, but if you want to play an alcoholic, you have to see a lot of people who are there, or maybe films like that, or maybe uh, you can read about people who are alcoholic. So you have to do
Right.
a little homework before what you're doing. And
Yeah.
what happens to me is I don't do it. It happens to me that I start living that kind of a life only, except all those things like, I don't consume anything which, any substance or alcohol. But
Right.
I feel that I am always into that zone only.
Okay.
So that
So like it
happens.
comes with you
It will
even when
happen to
you're
you all also.
offset.
Yeah, offset also. I start behaving like that. Those
Yeah.
mannerisms I follow automatically. I just don't do it intentionally, but when you are in the character, you
It
automatically
just happens
become like
naturally. Yeah.
whatever you're playing.
So
Yeah.
talking about your characters, which has been the most favorite character of yours? You know, the most creative one के इसको मजा आएगा इसको play करने में.
सच बताऊं तो a lot of people ask me this question, but I can't opt one out. वो बड़े बड़े नहीं बोलते सारे लोग that सारे बच्चे एक जैसे होते हैं. किसी बच्चे को आप ये नहीं बोल सकते
Can't
मेरा
choose
ये वाला
between.
बेटा मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So
True.
characters are like very close to me. All those characters what I've played are very close to me because I've done a lot of effort, and every day you have to play that character, so you live that character. So I can't choose, but still I would say Bepana Pyar was extremely different from what I did in Nagarjun. In Nagarjun, I was playing a superhero, half human, half Nag.
Right.
In Nagin, I played four characters. I played Mahir, I played Mihir, I played Krish, I
Oh
played
my
Baby
God.
Mahir, who was 8 year old.
Right.
So from 8 year old to 35, 40 year old, I have played different shades of Mahir
Hmm.
in Nagin. So
Right.
every character is different, but you have to experience, and this is what the fun is.
Yeah, you can't
If you're
just
an
choose one.
actor, yeah, if you're an actor, you can live a lot of lives. You can live a doctor's life, you can live a whatever.
Isn't
So
that the
a lot of,
best part of being an actor? There's so
yeah,
many people at the same time in one
yeah,
life.
yeah.
True, true, very
It's
true.
amazing.
But with a lot of success and everything, I think failure and rejection also comes with it. You know, you
Yeah,
must
a lot
have
of.
been rejected
हाँ, पहले
sometimes
पहले
for,
ऑडिशन में ऐसे कर दिया था. Not fit.
oh my God.
दूसरा है.
So
So I
how would
felt
you
really
keep
bad.
going?
Not
What would you
fit.
tell yourself?
Initially, I never realized that rejection is not about you. The rejection is about the character which you're not fitting in.
Wow,
So, if
that's
supposed to be
something we should all take in.
yeah, we should not feel bad about it. Because see, if I am a writer, I want a guy who looks like Govindaji, for that matter, and somebody like me who comes up, I will tell no, no, this guy doesn't fit the character because I want somebody like him. So it's not about you; it's about the character, which
Right.
you're not fitting in. So you should never feel bad about it because see, there is something definitely designed for you, and you will get it. You need a lot of patience in it. You should not be disheartened. अगर आप disheartened हो जाएंगे ना तो वो आपके face पे आएगा. It will make you look bad. Don't do that.
Right. You just gotta
Always
wait for
be
the
happy.
character you fit in or work hard for the character that you want to fit in and work for, you know.
Yeah.
You're right. You're
Yeah.
right. Absolutely. Also, what would be that one advice that you would give yourself 10 years back? You know, when you were starting or it was initial stage, you must be thinking, I could have done it this way. So,
Yeah.
what
There's one
advice would
thing
you give
definitely.
yourself?
The thought process of not doing TV shows, and I want to do films only. वो
Right.
thought process, I want to cut it down from my life. If फॉर इंस्टेंस मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचता और मैं ये थॉट प्रोसेस मेरा नहीं होता तो बहुत सारा टाइम मैंने वेस्ट ना किया होता.
Right. And what would be the advice that you would give to the aspiring actors now, the new age actors?
I would definitely tell them, guys, you need a lot of patience. या तो आओ मत, honestly.
आओ
अगर
तो
आप आ
पेशेंस
रहे हो,
लेके आओ वरना मत आओ.
तो ये सोच के आओ कि अब नहीं जाना है, अब करके ही जाना है, तो ही होगा। क्योंकि बहुत सी, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर लास्ट सेंसस में क्या था, बट मोस्टली जो जितना मुझे याद है, more than 1800 people come to Mumbai every month to become an actor.
Right.
So the competition is really tough. और आप अगर सोच रहे हो कि आप आओगे एकदम से सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा हो जाएगा और एक्टर्स लाइफ बहुत अच्छी होती है, तो ऐसा नहीं होता है। एक्टर्स लाइफ बहुत अच्छी नहीं होती, कोई भी क्रिएटिव इंसान की जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी नहीं होती।
Right.
आप अगर यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं तो आप ये सोचिए आपको क्रिएटिव सेटिस्फैक्शन पता नहीं कब मिलेगा, लेकिन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, आप उसको कितने अच्छे से ग्रास्प करते हो और कितने अच्छे से पोर्ट्रे करते हो। इफ यू कैन पोर्ट्रे इट वेल, देन यू विल गेट दैट अटेंशन। धीरे धीरे आप सीखते भी हो। सी इनिशियली कोई भी सीख के नहीं आता। आप कोई गेम भी खेलते हो तो आप धीरे धीरे सीखते हो। इनिशियली हमको पता भी नहीं था। येस्टरडे ओनली आई वाज टॉकिंग टू सूरज सर एंड आई वाज टेलिंग हिम, सर हमें तो ये भी नहीं पता था कि ऑडिशन होता क्या है।
Right.
तो हम जब एक्टर प्रिपेयर से निकले तो हम क्या करें अभी भाई, मतलब हमको तो ये भी नहीं पता था कि हमको कोई बोलता था कि आप अंधेरी में रहो, तो यहाँ पे ऑडिशंस बहुत होते हैं।
Hmm.
फिर
So it's like a journey of patience and acceptance
या 100%
and grasping everything new that comes your way, right?
करेक्ट। you have to observe and remember everything what you're observing.
Right. So coming back to AP, can you tell us like what is that one thing that you learned, or few things that you learned in Actor Prepares that you actually apply in your shoot or in your serials or in your character, or personally, what is that thing that you've learned in Actor Prepares?
A lot of things, yeah. A lot of things because from the basic grooming to uh, performing, or maybe holding the stage properly, how you improvise, a lot of things, a lot of exercises we used to do. Khed sir used to call me a truck because I used to bang on. Yeah, there was an exercise of focus where everybody has to run in the room. You run randomly and you can change your direction. You can't just run in one direction. You have to change your directions and you don't have to bang onto each other. That was the exercise. I don't know now they do it or
No,
not.
we've done it. Like I'm from batch number
You've done-
89 and I've done this too.
Acha, I'm from batch number what 17.
Oh my god, that's a huge difference. But we've had
Yeah.
same exercises and sessions. True.
Yeah, those exercises. What I used to do is I was not at all focused, so I used to bang like anything, and people used to get hurt also. So they used to call me a truck.
Great. Thank you so much, Pearl, for sharing all this with us. Thank you so much for being with us today. And
Thank you so much.
I hope you achieved whatever you wished for. Thank you so much for being with us today. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Likewise. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you so much.
Bye. So this was Paul Puri with us. We have talked about his journey, how he began, from where he started, and where is he now today. I think what I'm taking back from this live session is that acting is not just limited to the acting field, but it can groom you personally. It can be a training not just for acting, but for personality development, for emotional intelligence, I would say. And which is why lockdown is the best period to work on yourself, I think. And that's why Actor Prepares have come up with online acting course with the comfort of your home. You can learn acting. You can work on yourself at your own ease. For more information, you have to log on to www.actorprepares.net for this. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in today. I'll see you all again next Saturday, somewhat around this time. But thank you so much for showering all this love and being on live with us today. Take care. Bye-bye.